The question we are solving now belongs to test series 9. It is of network theory subject. In specific, it belongs to transient response analysis of RLC circuits. As per the question, there is a circuit which contains a voltage source Vs of t is equal to 3 times U of t volts. This is connected in series with a 8 ohm resistor which is connected in series with a parallel combination of 8 ohm resistor and 10 ohm resistor with 1 farad capacitor. The voltage across the capacitor is given as Vc of t. It is also given that Vc of 0 minus is equal to 0 volts. We need to find out Vc of t for t greater than or equal to 0. From the given data, we see that the initial value of the voltage across the capacitor for t greater than or equal to 0 is equal to Vc of 0 minus is equal to Vc of 0 plus is equal to Vi is equal to 0 volts. This is due to the reason that capacitor does not allow abrupt change in voltage, hence Vc of 0 plus is equal to Vc of 0 minus. Also from the circuit, we can say that the steady state value of the voltage across capacitor, that is Vc of infinity is equal to Vf, can be obtained by taking that the capacitor needs to be replaced by open, as at steady state capacitor acts as open. Hence, using the voltage divider rule, Vc of infinity can be written as 1.5 volts. The time constant of the circuit tau can be written as R equivalent multiplied by C, where C is equal to 1 farad and R equivalent is the resistance as seen from the capacitor terminals. And we see that R equivalent can be obtained as 14 ohms, hence tau can be written as 14 seconds. From this we can say that Vc of t is equal to Vf plus Vi minus Vf multiplied by e power minus t by tau. From the given data, Vf is equal to 1.5 and tau is equal to 14 seconds. So from this we can say that Vc of t is equal to 1.5 times 1 minus e power minus t by 14 multiplied by u of t. This is due to the reason that the analysis is for t greater than or equal to 0. Hence the correct option which represents Vc of t for t greater than or equal to 0 is D.